Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to unbox a case from Pro Elite. It is a rugged armor case and it's for tablet. So this is a Samsung Tab S5e. It was launched in 2019. We get inside the box. This is the box. This is the case. So it has a strap like you can hang around with this, like this. You can see on the pictures it has given. It comes with. So it is very nice and very rugged style case. You can grab this. This is like 360 rotating grab handle, and it has also come with kickstand. Okay, like this. Yeah, this kickstand. Going to work. Let's see. Okay, let's put this thing inside. This is how it fits. It was very hard, not hard, but yeah, kind of not so easy as well. So this is the it does not come with built-in screen protector. So this is how it goes in. Like there are, you can see there's clips here, so it clicks like that. So yeah, each and every port of this device is protected. Like as you can see, like the speaker grill is as well as protected. Speaker grill as well as the charging port. Even the volume keys, the microphones for both sides. And yeah, as you can see, it's perfect fit. It's like bulky, but yeah, the safety it also provides. So this is the kickstand. So this is the grab handle. You can put your hand inside this and just so you can use a like one hand carry. This is a kickstand. Yeah, clips in. Yeah, as you can see, it can rotate 360, portrait mode, landscape mode. So it also comes with like straps, like you can hang out with this. Let's see, straps comes with certain type of tool. Okay, let me see what is for. Okay, as you can see, this is tool for like removing this thing. If you want to remove your case, I usually prefer nails. Yeah. So these are the clips, the strap. So you can clip in the both sides. Another, so you can see, you can carry your tab in one. Just kidding. So this is how it looks, guys. So I find it very it is a bit pricey, but yeah, it works perfect. So it you can see 360 way around, and yeah, it's fully rubberized, and the front side is, this thing is made up of kind of plastic, and this thing is like very spongy. As you can see, I can press with my finger as well, and it's like the gap between the act as a shock absorber. So if it drops as well, so it can handle some drops. So this is how it looks. Thank you guys for watching my video. Thank you. Bye bye. Subscribe my channel and like my videos and comment, so I can act upon that comments and show that